I had to make a video about this because I thought it was so funny. I had to take this door partially apart to fix it, and when I did, behind these screws is little nuts. So I had to actually take this door partially apart. So I put Loctite on it to help, you know, just help keep it from coming loose. Well, it looks like it's bleeding, so I freaked my daughter out with that. I said, look, the stove's bleeding. So, anyways, yeah, that Loctite's good stuff. It keeps, helps keep fasteners from working loose. But however, it did look kind of funny, so I thought I'd make a funny video, a quick video about that. So the bleeding stove. Anyways, yeah, also got these little covers that came with it too. So kind of make it a little bit more decorative, I guess. Anyways, there it is. I don't know if you can see the difference in the paint. It's very slight, like a very, very light yellow, and then the white fridge. So, anyways, Charlie, do right out.